And photograph of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's glass that was just leaked gives you a good idea of how it feels in the hand. This isn't the first leak we've seen about the Galaxy S25 series. Previous leaks of third-party screen protectors have given us a preview of the device's design. According to the leaked glass picture, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feel elegant and svelte in the palm. A fresh set of images has now emerged that show off the device's tempered and 3D glass. The Galaxy S25 series will have a more upscale look thanks to its tiny, symmetrical bezel design, which is even thinner than the bezels on Apple's iPhone 16 Pro range. Compared to the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra could be a little taller and wider. To improve the device's sleek profile, Samsung has also reduced the width of the central frame on the left and right sides. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are both seen in the leaked images. A little yet powerful flagship, the Galaxy S25 is expected to make its debut. However, even more remarkable specs will be included in the Galaxy S25 Plus, making it a high-performance choice in the range. The S25 Ultra's bezels may be a little thinner than those of the non-Ultra flagships. It is crucial to remember, however, that basing design choices only on leaked images of third-party protectors may be deceptive and could not truly represent the finished product. In the first quarter of next year, Samsung is set to release the Galaxy S25 series. The upcoming event will also see the final version of One UI 7 unveiled. The device will only be accessible in China and South Korea, according to sources, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition will be unveiled on October 21, 2024, a few days sooner than expected. A person is shown walking with a letter envelope, which they slide under a door. When the envelope is opened, a foldable smartphone with the date October 24, 21 and the message, "You were invited," displayed on the screen is revealed. The video is a teaser for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.